Ready? And...
Yeah, say the last part.
No, yeah. We'll go ahead and drop this rear diff, and we'll show you guys that after we have everything done. I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Just go ahead and scrap this bit.
We're keeping it.
Great.
All right. This time Jonathan's gonna.
Oh no!
Classic.
We're good.
Yep, classic Jonathan. He's gonna jack up the mower like he always does, but this time I actually told him to jack it up. But
Yeah.
generally he jacks it up when I tell him not to, and break something, you know. Jacking it up, breaking stuff, busting nuts off, and breaking stuff.
This wheel. That wheel goes flat within a day. We're gonna have to fix that.
I got Fix-A-Flat.
Yeah, Fix-A-Flat might work.
Fix-A-Flat.
Yeah, Fix-A-Flat. You never heard of it? It's the best thing on the market. Fix-A-Flat will probably work after we get it to go 15 miles an hour, which, depending on what happens, we might get it to go that speed.
You're pretty good at jacking things up.
Yep. Nearly jacked that thing up.
With what?
The wrong tools. I got 40 Why am I doing all the work?
Because I'm holding the camera.
Of course. The camera's always your excuse. Please tell me that's not done. Let's hope I don't break this. And commencing drop. Ooh. I don't like that. There we go, that's better. Alright. Alright, so in order to drop this diff right here, we have to take these bolts off. There's 2 on each side, and disconnect our shifter and remove
Hold the camera straight.
Yeah, thank you. And move this belt off, and this should just drop down and make it easier to access that pulley. It's up there. Alright, we have our gear shifter disconnected. We just took apart the linkage that's back here. We disconnected our brake. It's not disconnected up here, it's disconnected further up. We pulled all the bolts out and we got the belt off. Let's go ahead and drop her. Keep her steady. All right. Pull her out. Don't pull it from there. Like, okay, never mind. Let's see. I think that's it.
Oh, yeah. All right. We gotta connect this.
Oh no, we got one more thing to disconnect up there. What the heck? All right.
Wait, I know what it is. All we gotta do is pull that little thing out.
Okay. All right. We'll be back after we disconnect that and get this diff completely removed and out over in this area. All right. Got the diff pulled out. We got it just sitting on the handle of a jack stand since you can't get it up on there. And Octavius is trying to figure out how in the world to get this pulley off. It's not a nut, it's not anything like that. It's mounted right there.
It's a pin right here.
It's just a little pin?
Right here, we put, but it's so rusted.
Yeah, we might end up having to cut it or something.
Maybe.
Maybe. I don't know. Maybe if we... Maybe it just needs to be spread out. Because it looks like...
It's hammer time.
Oh no. Oh no. All right. Come on, baby. Oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, it's so rusted. This whole pulley's coming off, so it was gonna need to be replaced anyway. Cool. Let's see if we can just get that off with needle nose pliers. So we want to preserve that in case we need it.
Preserve it? It's broken in half.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
It's like preserving a piece of trash. Or preserving you.
Really?
Yep.
That words hurt, man. Words hurt.
Sticks and stones may break your bones, but words will never hurt you. Or, wait, no. They'll never hurt me.
Mm-hmm.
You soft boy. You like the Michelin Man.
You're right. I am the Michelin Man. I'm the one that has all your tires. Alright. Well, it's working. Didn't realize the hammer was going to be so efficient. Is there a lip underneath the pulley for us to get like a crowbar or something?
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and grab a crowbar. We'll be back after this pulley gets removed.
Okay, so this fella right here, yep, him, he found some new tires.
I had an idea, and I found some wheels I got off of a dolly, so this will definitely be able to hold the weight of this thing. Camera, there you go. And we're gonna put these on the front. These are smaller tires than these ones. They actually hold air, and they honestly look a little cooler. I mean, compare one tread to another, I think this is a way cooler one.
And one thing is that since we're going to have smaller wheels on the front and bigger wheels on the back in comparison,
this thing will do wheelies way easier. If it does wheelies. If not, we'll just take the front wheels and we'll slap them on the back so that, you know.
But I think even leaving the back wheels on, because they don't make it look more like a race cart or something like that. Because you see the race carts, they have much bigger tires and really little tires in the front.
That's true. They do also take the rear axle and lift it up. But we're going to go ahead and, as he is working on that diff back there so that we can have a smaller pulley, I'm going to go ahead and install these bad boys, bad mamma jammas. They ain't your, like any of the, they're rep wheels. Let's put it that way. They ain't the nice brand stuff. They're not all that other goodness. Not forged, nothing like that. So we're just gonna slap these on and hope they work. Sitting there.
That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing.